Hi, this is for Mike Robin and his intrepid band of Katona Library players. I'm Bram Lewis, I'm the artistic director of the Schoolhouse Theater, and Mike, this is for you. Blow, blow, thou winter wind, thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Thy tooth is not so keen, because thou art not seen, although thy breath be rude. Hey ho, sing hey ho, unto the green holly, most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then hey ho, the holly, this life is most jolly. Freeze, freeze, thou bitter sky, that dost not bite so nigh as benefits forgot. Though thou the waters warp, thy sting is not so sharp as friend remembered not. Hey ho, sing hey ho, unto the green holly, most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then hey ho, the holly, this life is most jolly. That's from the Duke Amiens, from Act 2 of As You Like It. Thank you, William Shakespeare.